English phrases unpacked. Off and running. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, off and running. This expression is quite popular in English, and understanding it can really help in grasping the nuances of the language. So, let's dive in and uncover its meaning and usage. Off and running is an idiomatic expression in English. It's used to describe a situation or a person that has begun quickly and successfully. It's often associated with the start of something, indicating that the beginning is not just on time, but also energetic and promising. The phrase can be used in various contexts, from business ventures to personal goals. This phrase likely originates from the world of sports, specifically horse racing or track events, where races start with a burst of energy and speed. The term, off, suggests the start, while running implies a swift and dynamic commencement. Understanding this origin can help learners grasp the metaphorical use of the phrase in everyday English. To better understand off and running, let's look at some examples. After securing the investment, their new company was off and running. As soon as the gates opened, the marathon runners were off and running. Once she understood the instructions, she was off and running with her project. In these sentences, off and running is used to convey a sense of swift commencement and positive momentum. Learning synonyms can broaden your understanding. Similar phrases to off and running include hit the ground running, to start something with great enthusiasm and energy. Off to a flying start, another way of saying starting very well or successfully. Out of the gates, suggesting a strong start, akin to the opening of gates in a race. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, off and running. It's a great example of how English often uses metaphors from sports and everyday life. Remember, learning a language is a bit like a race too. It's all about getting off and running. See you in the next video, and keep practicing.